Fix-It-Tony here. So we had the Lexus back. It's been 5,000 miles since the last oil change. She drank about 2 quarts of oil in that time. Before, I was drinking about a quart every 1,000 miles. So it's an improvement. It's getting there. I think a couple more oil changes, we will be there. So again, Restore and Protect, it works slowly over time, which is a good thing. We'll take a look inside the oil pan and see what it looks like too when we get it up on the lift here. The reason we had a little bit of a delay is, I don't know if you can see here, I pushed it out most of the way, but some person with no insurance decided to hit me in the front here in their Prius. And I mean, it doesn't look horrible. Their car's totaled. And this is all it did to the Lexus, so go tell you, these are tough cars. Anyway, let's go and get it on a lift and get her drained. Alrighty, so we'll just drain the oil here. You know, as I was saying, you know, got hit by another car again, and it's sad, but it's actually good. This car has been in like 7 accidents since I got it. Has not been totaled. It's done very well. Got hit in the front, got hit in the back several times. Got a several car pile up. Like, it's been repaired a lot. But the good thing is the car's held up. The airbags didn't deploy in any of those accidents. So here we are today. We're still going. So let this drain out. We'll get a look inside. All right, well, she's almost drained. We'll take a gander inside. See what she looks like. Interesting. A little bit foamy in there. It looks pretty clean. I'm curious what that foam is though. Huh. Oil's a little foamy. I'm not really sure what that is. I mean, that looks like foam. I don't know why it came out so foamy. That's kind of unusual. That's the first time I've seen anything like that. Everything's looking pretty darn clean in there except for whatever that is, which looks like a whole bunch of foam in there. Interesting. We'll have to take another look next time and see if that happens again. I mean, I just started the car. I didn't warm it up or anything, so maybe it's just it warming up. Kind of unusual there. So I had the oil filter out, and she is heavier than usual. There's no doubt about that. And it's not just oil soaking. There's nothing in there. It's hard to see because I can't get good light. There's no debris in there per se, but this is definitely filled up to the brim. So it's working. It's pulling the stuff out of the carbon buildup to getting in here, but now it's worrying me, and I am probably going to need to change this oil filter more often because it went 5,000 miles, but I'm not sure if that was the greatest idea. So we'll put a new filter in here. We're going to replace it a little more often going forward. All right, so we have our garage box. We got her all filled up. You know, some of you have commented, and thank you, I appreciate it, that these are going on sale again. They went as high as $180, but they go back down to 100, 110, less than 20% if you subscribe. So just keep an eye on them. They go up and down. Otherwise, it might be cheaper just to buy it by the 5 quart. Just whatever works out for you. So we'll get her filled up now. All right, so we got her all filled up. She's good to go. You know, it's kind of interesting about that foaming. You know, we did see a lot of foaming in there. I'm going to look more into that and get back to you guys to see what Valvoline has to say about that. I don't think I've ever seen that before, but we also did have a bit of a clogged oil filter. So what we're going to need to do is change this oil filter more often. We'll keep an eye on the oil level, and we'll just pay attention to some of this stuff and see if there's anything I need to report back to you guys. Otherwise, please like, subscribe, share. We're over 2,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And hopefully we'll have this thing back in no time. We're doing a lot. I'm driving a lot for work, so probably another month I'll be back here doing another oil change. So we'll look and see where we are from there. But otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great day.